Hello everyone, today I will show how to create a header using Elementor. So let's start it. Already I stay my Wordpress dashboard, and then first of all I need a theme. So I go to appearance and theme, and I will use Astra theme. So I active Astra theme, and okay, already Astra theme activate. Then I need some plugin. Go to plugin and add new plugin. Then I search Elementor. Just wait. We can see the result here. Okay, Elementor website builder. They are most popular page builder in WordPress. 10 million activate install. So it's very popular. And activate. Also, I need a plugin. This name of Elementor header footer builder. This plugin used to create Elementor header. So this is our plugin. They are also most popular. 2+ million active installation. So install, and then we will activate this. And their till configuration, but we don't know this configuration. Okay, UAE, that means Elementor header footer builder. So I go to Elementor header footer builders, and then header footer, and we can see header and footer. So go here and add new, and then add name. I give the header name main header. So then type of template, select header. We are creating header, so I select header. In display on, we want to see all of our users, so this user rule all. Okay, enough. So publish, and then edit with Elementor. Okay, let's start with our creating header. I'll select this. Okay, I have it. Already I have some information to create this header. So this is our color code. I copy this color code and go to style, background type, color. Okay, and I need image, no icon, list. Okay, icon list, I need one icon list. So go to icon. Okay, I will give this location. And you can search location icon. I cannot take this location icon. We are finding our potential icon. These are our, okay, I want to change color. Okay, and then text color I need to change. White color is okay. And then I decrease this width. So go to advanced and with custom width. Okay, perfect. And then I duplicate this and I need to side by side, not bottom. So I select container and select direction horizontally and I need increase this container. Okay, there is a demo email. And change icon email. No, I cannot find this icon. Okay, I use this and then and I need some icon. Okay, Insta. I need to small icon, so go to style and size, and this icon take full width, but I can this icon can this small width, like, okay, so go to advanced and with no, sorry, custom, we can reduce. Okay, just fine. And change icon color, go to style and white. Okay, then next YouTube, WhatsApp, and Facebook. So I need side by side. So select container and direction horizontal. Okay, perfect. So just I change the icon, YouTube, and WhatsApp, and Facebook. Okay, right now more I want to this icon have this side, right side. So I select this container and justify center and okay, this is perfect. And also I publish this side and see this side. Okay, our side like this. Okay, and then I give a new container. Then no. Okay, perfect. Okay, I need to upload this logo. This is my logo. I need to small logo, 300 pixel. Okay, I need the logo have left side and our icon list is headphone. Icon, I need to change icon color. Okay, perfect. And I increase icon. Oh, this is demo number. I need to change the color. This is black color and change typography. Okay, this is perfect. So this is our header. Also I can use menu in this line, but I haven't created any menu. If I create any menu, I need more time, so I will share how to add menu in another video. Thank you so much for watching this video.